everybody, to Cooking with Transition. Today we're going to make an easy pineapple dessert.
Yum, I love pineapple.
Yeah, it's not going to take too long today. So, what we need for our ingredients is we need a whole can, 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple in the juice. Then we're going to need a 3.4 ounce of instant vanilla pudding. And we're going to need some whipped topping. The next thing, we're going to need a mixing bowl. And we're going to need a measuring cup, a couple different kinds of spoons. We need some cups to put our dessert in. And we need a tray that we're going to put our cups on. And the last thing we have not used before is we're going to put our dessert in the refrigerator today. Okay guys, let's get cooking. Okay, our first step is we're going to get our bowl and we're going to take our pineapple. Now I've already cut the lid open, so I just have to open mine this way. But have a parent or an adult help you cut off the lid. Some lids are pop-ups, so whatever kind you have. So you're just going to pour the whole thing in. There you go. Next, we're going to take our vanilla flavored instant jello pudding and we're going to pour it in the bowl. Okay. We're just going to add the dry mix and nothing else. So we're going to take our spoon and we're just going to mix it together. There we go. All right, that part's done. We're going to take our 1 cup measuring cup and we're going to add our whipped topping. So we're going to put 1 cup in there. There we go, a little bit more. All right, that should be good. All right, now we're not going to stir it in, we're going to fold it in. So we're going to take a little bit at a time and so slowly just fold it in because you want it to be fluffy. Okay, we'll get a little more. Again, we're going to fold it in.
Fold it in.
And the last of it. Okay, let's fold it one more time. Smells pretty pineapple-y, guys. Okay, we're almost done. All right. We're going to take our cups and our tray too. Okay. We're going to put it in our cup with the spoon. Looks pretty good, guys.
Fancy.
I know. You can use any kind of cup. You probably could even use a bowl. Okay. All right, guys. So you know what you can do also? You can add a little bit more of your whipped topping on top. So just put a dollop of it on with your spoon. There you go. Now, if you happen to have some cherries, you can put 1 on top.
Love cherries.
Okay. Just put it on top. Melt. On top. And there. Okay, guys. Our next step is we're going to go put them in the refrigerator. So why don't you all come along? Here we are. Come my refrigerator. Okay, use your 2 hands to hold your tray. And very carefully put them in there. And we're going to come back in an hour to see how good they will taste, and they will be ready to eat. So everyone, here it is. I just took it out of the refrigerator. Don't they look so yummy?
Yum.
I know. See how easy this pineapple dessert is? And then you're just going to use a spoon and you can dig right in.
Yay.
All right, guys. Until next week, I'll see you with Cooking with Transition. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.